Hello, everyone. My name is Kate Burns. I'm with the Customer Engagement Department here at Visible Body. I'm really sorry I wasn't able to make the webinar today, but I did want to make sure I had the opportunity to share with you all how quick and easy it is to add visible body content right into your PowerPoint presentations. So let me show you how to do that. One moment. All right. So now I am sharing my screen. You should see PowerPoint here. So right from the Home tab, just navigate to the Insert tab. It gives you all these options. One of them is right here, the screen recording option. Now, the moment I click on this, my PowerPoint application will become clear. It will become invisible, disappear. And whatever I have underneath it pulled up, which right now you can see I have the Human Anatomy Atlas pulled up underneath it. So that's the thing that is right behind my PowerPoint application. So when I click this screen record button, PowerPoint disappears and it goes to the window I had open right behind it. And here we are in the Atlas. So the first step is to select the area that you'd like to record. Record the action. And we'll make sure we get the full muscle action here. And then we click pause, or then you can just click stop. So then it pulls that screen grab right into your presentation, and you can resize that, move it around, make any edits you need to make. And then of course you can play it right within your PowerPoint. So I hope that was helpful. If anybody has any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out and enjoy the rest of the webinar. Bye, everybody.